It's just great out here today. I love coming down and watching these waves.
This is just the drama of the beach and the storm doing a dance. It's pretty typical. It's awesome.
You know, when it gets this high, they really hit the wall, make a lot of noise, go way up high, flood the place. You know, it's just a lot of fun coming down here.
You know, we have great summers, but in winter it's so humbling and inspiring to see the weather, how it overtakes us, and it puts us in our place over and over again. So from the artistic point of view, it's awesome, and from the spiritual point of view, it's necessary to remember.